Welcome to the Elite Service Masters channel. Are you aware of the plumbing dangers lurking in your home? In this video, we're uncovering 5 critical plumbing issues that could be silently damaging your property and posing risks to your family's health. Ignoring these dangers could lead to expensive repairs and significant inconveniences down the line. Let's dive into these common but often overlooked problems. First up, hidden leaks. These can occur behind walls, under floors, or even in ceilings. You might not notice them immediately, but over time they can cause serious water damage, mold growth, and even structural issues. Pay attention to any unexplained damp spots, musty odors, or unusually high water bills. Catching a leak early can save you from a massive repair bill later. Next, we have outdated or faulty fixtures. Older plumbing fixtures like faucets, shower heads, or toilets may seem harmless, but they can be prone to leaks and inefficiency. Worn-out seals, corrosion, or mineral buildup can cause water wastage or even flooding. Regularly inspect and consider replacing any fixtures that are past their prime to avoid sudden failures. Another danger is clogged drains. A slow drain might seem like a minor annoyance, but it can quickly escalate into a full-blown plumbing disaster. Clogs can lead to sewage backups, water damage, and even health hazards from bacteria and mold. Keep your drains clear by avoiding the disposal of grease, hair, and large food particles down the sink or toilet. Fourth on the list is outdated piping. If your home has old, corroded pipes, they could be ticking time bombs. Materials like galvanized steel or polybutylene, common in older homes, are prone to corrosion and cracking. This can result in low water pressure, leaks, or even bursts. If your home is over 30 years old, it's crucial to have your piping inspected and replaced if necessary. Lastly, neglecting regular maintenance and inspections. Your plumbing system needs periodic checkups to ensure everything is functioning smoothly. Simple tasks like checking for leaks, inspecting pipes, and ensuring proper water pressure can prevent small issues from turning into major problems. Don't wait for an emergency to act. Schedule regular maintenance with a professional to keep your plumbing in top shape. These plumbing dangers may be out of sight, but they shouldn't be out of mind. Take proactive steps to address these issues and protect your home and loved ones from potential harm. Thanks for watching, and if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more home maintenance tips.